This video, I'm going to discuss how to play Red Dead Redemption 2 on PS5 with keyboard and mouse. So typically PS5 is usually played with controllers, but in some cases you can use keyboard with this, but I'm really not sure with mouse. So for this case we have this thread. This user owns the game in PS5 but struggles with the controller, so they actually is asking if they can play it with keyboard and mouse. So the usual answers to this is not sure, and they can't use controller for this case. You can use it, and you cannot play with it as well. So as you can see, according to the users, they were able to connect it with KBM but could not connect to RDR2, and this means that it actually is a game that have a patch and it doesn't contain that necessary patch to play it like that. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you.